Jump! Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing a first impressions on a recent brand that I have dabbled into, Kaja, and it's their Bouncy Shimmer Eyeshadow Trio. So I got the color Sparkling Rose, because of course, who is gonna pass up on some sparkling rosé? Not this girl. I also love the color scheme, theme, ream of that specific one as well. I love the more pinkish purple berry. So I also was debating the orange blossom, but when I played with the orange blossom in store, it was very, very, very sparkly and glittery, and that's just not me. I just like a touch of glitter. Thanks to Rachel M, I have decided to try out one of their one of their eyeshadow trios because we were both really intrigued. They look so pretty, but no one really discussed the quality of it, you know, how it applies, does it blend well, what does it look like, pigmentation, texture, things of that sort. And the shades are Moscato Pink, Cassis, and Cognac. Ooh, Cognac. We're going hard today. So it says, swirl fingertip over eyeshadow to pick up product, layer onto eyelids as desired. I'm gonna try that on one eye, and the other eye I'm gonna use a brush just because if I want to make a smoky eye out of this, which is what I would have this for, I want to make sure that it applies well with brushes as well. Especially for the girls that have long nails like me. Hey boo, you gonna be poking out your eye with these long nails. So it says, Bouncy Shimmer Eyeshadow Trio, easy finger application, applies like a cream, dries like a powder. All right, so let's get it started. Okay, so it's a cute little box, and their products are so precious. So precious. I love them. So my eyelids have been primed and they are ready to go. This is how it looks, lightest to darkest. There's 4 different colors, but really there's 3. This is how it looks when you open it. So here's the first color. This is a lot darker than I thought. All right. It says Day to Night, so that's the second color. And they all came with these little eyeshadow protectors. Here's the third color. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them really quick so you can see them right now. Here are the 3 swatches from darkest to lightest. And they're really pretty. And then I'm just gonna go ahead. So they look very, very dark in the pan, but they are definitely not that dark once you apply them or swatch them on your actual skin, which is nice because you can build them up. Let's go ahead and put these on. So I'm gonna apply with my brush on one eye, and then the other eye I'm gonna apply with my hand and work with it as best as I can. Drenched my brush in the lightest color, which is Moscato Pink. Okay. That's pretty legit. It applies very easily. It does come out a lot sheer than what it looks like in the pan. As you can tell here in the pan, it's like almost a magenta, and on my eye it's like a soft magenta, almost like a lighter pink than a magenta. So, and these are also probably applying a lot more sheer because I am using a brush. I'm gonna go in the middle color, which is Cassis. Not in the sunlight, it looks like purple, and then it has like a pink, it's purple with a pink shift to it. And there is some shimmer on my actual lid. I'm putting this in the crease. There's really no fallout, like it's incredible. I'm gonna go with a thin like pencil brush to dip into that last color so I could kind of do like a smudged out wing to give my eye some definition. None of them have no fallout. So if you have your full face of makeup done and you want to do your eyes with this, there will be absolutely no fallout. And even like tapping off the brush, nothing. It's incredible. I think it helps that they're like made as creamy and then they dry down as powder. That was the easiest application of eyeshadow as an eyeliner I've ever had in my life. Like, look how flawless, beautiful, and effortless that was. I mean, it looks like I spent 30 minutes on this eye, and I legit, kid you not, I spent not even 4 minutes. It's ridiculous. Okay, so that applied really well. I'm gonna go ahead and smoke out the bottom lash. The bottom, I'm gonna go in with the lightest color, Moscato Pink, and just start building that out. And then I'm gonna jump right to the deepest color, Cognac, and press it from the outer edge. So connecting that wing to the outer corner of the lower lid. And that's gonna help marry that together. So this is what it looks like. Now I am gonna go in with Sparkling Rosé, that first top color, with my finger, and I'm gonna put it on the top of my lid just to see if it can give me an extra pop of color. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that definitely gave it a pop of color, as well that glitter. I'm gonna go ahead, do the other eye really quickly, and then I will be right back. Okay, so here is the final look. So beautiful and so precious. Anyways, so would I recommend this product? Absolutely. For anyone that is on the go or is dabbling into makeup and just wants a few colors to play around with, I would definitely recommend this. This is very easy to work with. It does apply sheer, so if you want something like this, you have to build it up. But it will get there, and it will get there with no problem. It's just the fact that you kind of have to go in. It does not get patchy. It is very blendable. The texture is amazing. There is minimal fallout. I don't want to say none, because if you're digging your brush into there, there will be fallout. However, if you swish it around like a typical shadow, there will be no fallout. So that is amazing. You can have a full face of makeup and just dive right into this shadow palette. It is very creamy and it does dry to a powder. And at the end, if you want to add an extra color of pop, whatever color of those three you want, definitely go in with a finger. The finger does apply a lot better. That's just how it goes. But this isn't too glittery. This is very, very shimmer, and it's subtle when you start building out your shadows. It's only very obvious and in your face when you use your finger to apply. So that's a nice touch, and that's something that I actually really like about it, because 3 shadows that are all glittery for a day look is just a lot. That is it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope this was informative. If you've tried any of their other colors, please let me know which ones you've tried. If you have any pictures, girl, I want to see what you did with it, because I love to see the looks that you can create with this. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. I have videos uploaded every Thursday. Also, follow me on Instagram at rideordie.with.monia and on Twitter at rideordie.monia. And to keep you in the loop, sometimes my videos get delayed because I order things and they get delayed in the mail, which affects me, unfortunately, and then it affects you, and I'm so sorry. I also work 2 jobs, so this is like a fun little hobby, a passion project of mine to really pursue what I'm genuinely interested in and what I'm truly passionate about. And it gives me like a little getaway moment. Like, I am in my own world, in my own bubble, living my best life, applying and playing with makeup and reviewing it. I truly, truly love doing this. So if there are any other products that you would want me to check out or review for you, shoot them my way, and I would be more than happy to check them out, do a video, and then post it on here for you. Aside from that, thanks again for watching this video, and until next time, bye guys.